In this video, I want to cover the movement sway settings. Now, movement sway is not to be confused with movement lag, but it's basically as you're standing still, kind of the breathing effect, and as you start to walk, it is also the kind of like taking steps, like your movement around. Now, in order to do this, I want to go ahead and first get rid of we're going to take some frames out of the idle animation. So you can see this guy until the very end. When it stops, it moves around quite heavily. So you can see here, it kind of has a lot of movement to it. So we're going to go ahead and convert that to a single frame idle. So to do so, we're going to go to the mesh, go to the anim BP. And here we have our tutorial M4 idle. So if we open that on up, you can see there's all the movement. So we're going to strip out all the frames. So we're just going to right click and remove frame, basically just continually removing frames until there is, well, nothing. So now we have a single frame idle. What we can do here is we can create asset, and we're going to do we're just going to do a current pose. Actually, we could have probably just did this, and I'm just going to throw it inside the root. So there we go. And now we just have a single frame idle. So let me open this back up again. I'm going to rename this one to old, and then give this guy the new name. So we're going to drag this in. It's under tutorial animation sequences, and we are going to replace it. So here's our new M4 idle. As you can see, it just refreshed the naming here, and we're going to plug it in like so. So now we have just a single frame idle. The only thing that is going to be going on is going to be the actual, procedural stuff. So now that we have this, we are pretty much good to go, and we can move forward with the actual movement sway. So I want to keep that in a separate video to keep these nice and short.